Oh, here is my request. I'm not fit for a king, but if you wanna live in me, then make my heart your home. I don't have silver or gold, and you deserve a better throne. Still, I'm the one you chose, so make my heart your home. Make my